Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking tutorial on how to make chicken mushroom pie. So don't forget to show some love. And
here we have our dough ingredients, which consist of flour, butter, salt and water. So first we're going to take our butter and our flour and we're going to mix them together. Then after that we're going to add our water to the butter and we knead the dough. After kneading the dough, we press it with a roller and then we pack it into the refrigerator for more than 24 hours. Here, we then take our pie ingredients, which consist of peas, onion, mushroom, and carrots. These are the things we're going to be putting into our chicken and our stew. So first things first, we're going to take these ingredients and we're going to put them into the fried chicken. Hereafter, we're going to start making our chicken curry mushroom. So we're going to add these ingredients to the stew and we're going to wait for the stew to simmer as we are taking out our dough from the refrigerator. Here, as our stew is simmering, we're going to start preparing our dough. Another cider for the stew is this stew needs to be put on a low heat in order for the stew to simmer properly. As you can see, we also added some spices which contain paprika, pepper, some mild spice curry, and we also added some coriander and mint leaves. This is to give the stew a very flavorful texture and taste. And here, as our stew is simmering, we are getting our dough out of the refrigerator and we are rolling it onto the board. In the meantime, as we are rolling our dough onto the board, our chicken is ready to get out and into the oven. Okay, so firstly we're going to start by putting our chicken stew pot onto the side as we take out our dough and get it ready. So here we have cut our dough into squares because we are aiming at making a square pie. So here, as you can see, our dough has been rolled out carefully, and here we're gonna start by putting our chicken. So here we put our chicken onto one side of the dough, and then here we've put our cheese onto the chicken and some pepper and salt. We're gonna close the dough onto the chicken and cheese, and we're gonna use some egg to attach both of the doughs so that they can carefully stick. Here we have put a pattern just to make it look attractive and for it to completely close, and then we're gonna make a couple of these and we're gonna get it ready and get it into the oven. So we're gonna put it into the oven on 160 degrees Celsius and we're gonna get ready. Another side pointer is I put some egg onto the crust of the dough for it to be crispy and golden and very delicious. So here we have it, our pie. Woo! Yay! Wow, there we have it, our flaky chicken mushroom pie. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to share some love and share it to your relatives, your friends, and everybody. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time. Mwah.